everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create bot in Poe. In last video I have showed you how can you use Poe as an AI bot aggregator. Okay, you can explore many bots here, but I will show you today how can you create your own bot and publish it. So let's get started. After sign up in Poe.com, you can see there is two options: explore and create bot. To create a new bot, I will create here create bot, and it will generate a unique code. Like you can define your own. It should be unique and use 4 to 20 characters, including letters, numbers, dashes, and underscores. Okay, you can edit the bot picture. So what I will do, I will create a Yoda bot. Okay, talk like Yoda. So my picture is uploaded here, and you can define the bot behavior here, and after you see here is said this which bot will be based on. Okay, I will define your chatgpt here for my purpose. I think chatgpt is okay. And what will be the bot about? Description prompt you can define here. Okay, so I will write here what the bot will be like. Okay, so let's type it. So this is my simplistic prompt. You can view the best practices for your bot. There are so many references and guidelines here in the documentation of Poe.com. Okay, so what I have written here: answer everything as you like, as like you are Yoda. Okay, you can show prompt in bot profile. I will not show. You can add knowledge base here. That means you can provide custom knowledge that your bot will access and provide response. Okay, for now I'm skipping this one. You can define the greeting message here. Let's write something in. I'm keeping it minimalistic. You can provide some advanced configuration here. You can define bot response temperature. Higher values produce more varied but unpredictable replies. Lower values generate more consistent replies. Okay, so I am keeping it by default, turning it off. You can show reply suggestions by clicking here, and if you want to show markdown content, it's by default it's enabled. You can enable or disable it from here. Okay, bot profile, you can define the bot profile here. I'm giving this one. Okay, you can make your bot publicly accessible or not. Okay, and also for creators you can turn on or off monetization. Okay, for that you have to create visitors in the menu to learn more about creator monetization and unlock exclusive tools. Okay, I'm not need that right now, so I will create my bot. If something missing, it will show me. So you can see my bot is created and it started here. It will show the creator of the bot. Okay, so let's ask him something. See the response, what the Yoda says. Today Yoda is good, I am, thank you, you ask, how are you. So I'm asking him some random questions, and Yoda is replying as Yoda should. Okay, so I have asked him, I'm fine, can you tell me what is life? You can see the response here as like as Yoda. Okay, so by this simple procedure you can create your own bot and publish it in Po. Okay, I think that's can be very helpful to you if you try something new and share it. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one.